2020 will be remembered for a lot of things, including the year millions of people took a shot and opened up a small business.
But now those business owners have to navigate tax season, and 13 Action News anchor Tricia Kean gets big answers for small businesses from a local tax expert.
No warning, no severance. Just poof, my entire career was gone.
Like many Americans, Jill Schlesinger recently found herself out of a job. The Las Vegas cafe, where she served as a general manager for more than 10 years, closed during the pandemic.
To stay busy since I wasn't working, I was baking for myself because I was craving breads and sweets.
Jill was baking sugar-free and gluten-free goodies her friends and family absolutely love. She started selling some, and that became a recipe for a business of her own,
which is taken off in a whirlwind. And it's a blessing.
Things are going so well, she plans to open her own bakery, Starburst Parlor, later this summer. But Jill has racked up thousands of dollars getting the equipment she needs.
There has been significant amount of charging, unfortunately.
Now she has a lot of questions before even officially opening for business. Among them, she's wondering how much of her credit card expenses she can write off.
If an expense is considered ordinary for your line of work, and necessary for you to run your business, then it's going to be deductible.
CPA Kim Walker says there's no preset dollar amount on what you can write off, but some things you can't deduct, including clothing, plus limits on entertainment and gifts for clients. If you're looking to write something off, just be sure to keep the receipt.
Many people think that the credit card statement showing those expenditures is enough for the IRS. It is not.
If you're looking to deduct driving expenses, for example, when making deliveries, you'll need even more proof than just gas receipts.
The IRS requires that you keep an auto log for your mileage during the year, not only the total mileage driven, but the business miles driven.
Jill also wants to know about deducting the cost of equipment purchased by her boyfriend. Walker says if a friend or family member pays for something, be sure to write up an agreement stating the amount provided and for what.
A note between the two of them. She's borrowed money from him, similar to how you would borrow money from a bank.
Be sure to also keep those receipts for your records, and then you'll be ready to deduct those expenses. Finally, your small startup may not have employees, but remember this.
If you pay an independent contractor over $600 a year for work they provide to your company, you have to issue them a 1099.
Jill says there's still a lot to do before she's ready to file her taxes, but she's definitely ready to share her love for cooking.
Ultimately, that's my goal, just to become a part of the community and just not let the pandemic stop me.
For 13 Action News, I'm Tricia Kean.